Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have a great collab here. Gregory, Isakov, and Sylvan Esso. I know Gregory has a huge loyal following, and he should have. Esso is new for me, but still great voices matching up here, and they do Fade Into You together. Great song. Let's go into this one together. Capo high up on the 7th fret. That is the best scenario to get the easiest chords possible and also match up with the sounds, the high notes used here in the song. So, capo on 7th. Now let's go through the 4 chords needed. We have 3 main chords, but I'm gonna throw in a 4th one. G first, that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have D next, and that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And then we have the A minor 7, open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And we're also gonna throw in the 4th one, which is the C. Very easy. From the A minor 7, just add on that 3rd fret A string. So that gives us 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Now let's learn the strumming pattern and grab the first chord G, which is the first chord, and you're gonna play down up for 6 rounds or 6 times down up, okay, like this. Okay, notice I go down on the higher string at one time there, and that is on the 4th down. Okay, so if we take it slow, it goes like this. Okay, so you play all the downs and ups on the bass mid area, preferably on the bass area. Okay, so, and then on the 4th down, you hit that high strings down here, and you continue with up, down, up, down, up. So a total of 6 down ups. You will not count all the downs and ups. You will have to feel it, okay? So you go slowly and practice the strumming pattern down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And once you know that, you will have that kind of built in, you will feel it, and you just play. You don't think about the numbers and so on, so you just play like this. Alright, hope that makes sense. That is how it works. Now, the main thing here in the song is to play G, 1 string around, D, 1 string around, and A minor 7, 2 string rounds. That makes up for like 95% of the song. Okay, so we're gonna do that. That's the main pattern. It goes like that almost through the entire song. Okay, so that is how you do it. But then we have, I think, 3 different timestamps. I think that is the total amounts of timestamps that we're gonna go outside this box of G1, D1, and A minor 2. And that is to throw in the C as well. In that case, you're gonna play G1, D1, A minor 1, and C1. And you're gonna do that at 2 minutes in, at 3:32 in, and at 4:07 in. In that case, you're gonna play this. And then you jump back into the main thing. You're gonna play it just once, that chord progression, jump back into the main G1, D1, A minor 7, 2, and play that till the very end, guys. That is how you handle Fade Into You. A beautiful, strong song from Gregory and Sylvan. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Till next time, play tuned.